Okay, it's about 40 degrees in here. It's absolutely sweltering, so I'll make this short and sweet. Okay, so my little parcel has arrived. This is an unboxing video, just a quick one, for Mr12Volr P600 series for the Porsche Boxster 987.1. Okay, so let's see what we've got here. I opened this yesterday. I just wanted to do it on video. So we've got some instructions in here, just a one-piece thing. And inside here you can see we have the contents of the package and some basic instructions. I will include a link to the latest manual that is online from this company. Next, we have a three-way optical cable, MOST cable, I think they call it. And yeah, this connects between the head unit and the device itself. So, what's next? This is an optical loop connector, and if you have a multi-changer in the trunk, in the front, or whatever you want to call it, then this will allow you to disconnect the multi-changer and connect this to the end of the cable. So this is an optical fiber that loops back to the head unit. I don't have this, so I won't be using it. Next, we have, can you see that? This is a microphone. There's also some kind of bracket, mounting bracket that you can attach to the A-pillar, and that connects to the unit. So when you've got a voice call over Bluetooth, you can talk without touching the mobile or whatever device you're using. Okay, here we have a 3.5mm jack cable lead. We have a male on each end, and that would go between the unit and the mobile phone or an MP3 device, whatever you have. And then finally we have the actual unit itself, Mr12Volr. Underneath we have I don't know if you can see that. Let's turn it around the other way. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. So here you can see, for my variation of vehicle, for my head unit, I have the third dip switch high and the rest are low. Okay, that's also described in the manual. So for my head unit, I need this one. Okay, let's turn it around. Okay, so the three-way optical cable, one end connects to here, to the unit, and the other end connects to the vehicle head unit. We then have a microphone here. This will connect to the mic input, and then here, that's the 12 volts in, and the 12 volt cable is also in this bag here, along with these red crimping connectors. Not a great fan of those, but also soldering is also an issue. It's not recommended in some circumstances. Anyway, so on the other end we have the audio in. Audio in would connect to the 3.5 jack and then to the MP3 device, and then we have an SD card slot here, so you can put your MP3s on there or whatever. And the same goes for the USB. You can have a USB stick plugged in with all your favorites, and a reset button. There you go. Let's just move this back a bit. That's what we have. and I will try and install it, well, hopefully today, but let's see, and then I'll add that to part 2. Thanks.